Right, I'm going to do the pollen filter here now. So, what we have here is the glove compartment. This car is a right-hand drive, UK, Ireland. So basically, it's really quite simple to take it off. Yeah, hold that there for me, son. There we go. That's that. And the pollen filter is just in here. So you just squeeze these two things here. And you have two more there. And that opens up like that. Put that there and there now. Have you got a new pollen filter ready for me? And the arrows are pointing down. So you just pull it out, have a look. And see. Yeah, it's tough enough. It isn't too bad. There's a lot of rocks and stuff in there. And then the new one, arrows facing down. You just basically push it in like that. Boop. There we go. And then we need this thing here. Click it back in. And that's as simple as that. That's how you change a pollen filter in a Toyota Avensis. And I think they're all the same, whether it be diesel, petrol, any of the rest of them. Now put them back in the glove box. Just hold that there for a second. Just, as you can see, there's two hinges. You just click them in there and there. That's it. Job done. So, simple as that. Please like, subscribe and share. I'll have some more videos coming soon. I'm going to do a video next on one of the diesel injector pipes have to be changed from the diesel injector into the diesel fuel rail. So that'll be coming next couple of days, and then I am going to change the right hand part of the wheel on the right hand side. So anyway, look, that'll be coming up soon. So there you go. Like, subscribe and share please, and hope you enjoyed the video.